Hello and welcome to the Action Taker channel. Here is Sebastian, and today I want to talk about Reward Dollar. Reward Dollar is a brand new website that claims itself as the #1 influencer network. And today we are going to talk about this website in order to find out if this website is a legit website to make money online, or if it is not a big scam. But before we proceed, I will just want to encourage you, if it is your first time on my channel, to subscribe to my channel. In this way, the next time I will upload a video, you will get notified. And if you really want to make money online while avoiding some scam website, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's get straight to our reward.co website reviews and see what exactly is this website. Reward Dollar is, as I said, claim itself as the #1 influencer network, and they claim you can make $500 to $1,000 per day using their website. And what you need to do with the website to make $500 or $1,000 daily is just by sharing your affiliate link on social media platform, and by completing some easy tasks such as taking part on survey or doing some easy tasks. This is how they explain how their website work. You just first need to sign up, and you will get $25 as a sign up bonus. And secondly, what you need to do is to share your affiliate link on a social media platform. Every single click on your affiliate link will give you $2, and every single sign up will give you $20. And the next step is to cash out your earning, and they claim you can cash out your money on your PayPal account or on your Cash App account. So if you are here and you are a new in the online page, you will trace to their website, but in reality this website is not a legit website. Here are some payment proof they show to their website visitors. As you can see here, all these are payment proof. We'll go ahead and see what exactly they show to people here. And what you see here are some testimonials they show to their website visitors, but in reality this website is not a legit website, and my aim throughout this video is to show you and to prove you that this website don't worth your time. This website claim they have been in business since 2000. Okay, see here, they claim they have been in business since 2000, and they have paid $59 million to their member. But I will show you something here. This website is a new website and not a website that have been launched on 2000 as they claim. I will show you when exactly this website has been launched. When we check out their domain name on the wiz.com website, we find that this website has been launched on March 2020. So this is exactly about a week ago. This website has been launched. So this is a new brand website and not a company that has been on business since 2000. This is fake. Secondly, in order to find out if this website is very legit or serious, we will take their email address they give here to find out if really this email address is a real email address or not. Here is the email address of the $CO website, and it is by this email address you can reach them. But when I check out this website, we will find out this email address doesn't exist. So this is a fake email address. Okay. Another red flag I want to show you is about the testimonial. What you see here are people claiming they have been making money with relied.co website. When we take, for example, this guy, okay, all these are testimonial, but these testimonial are fake testimonial. These guys are not real people. These image you see here, or these guys you see here, are some image they pick on the pixels.com website. Pixels.com is a free stock image website, and they picked all these image on this website. As you can see here, the first guy that claimed being made money in this website is not a real people. This they picked, or as I said, they picked this image on the pixels.com website. As you can see here, this is the same guy, and it goes the same with the next guy that claim being made some money with this website. This guy is also on the pixels.com website. So this image has been picked by the hidden owner of the reward.com website, just to lure you to join their website. So these testimonials are not real or legit. This is a fake testimonial. Okay, so this is another red flag you need to know, and to stay away with this scam website that are here to waste your time. I hope my reward dollar reviews helped you know more about this website. From now you know what reward dollars website about. You know how does it work, and the best part, you can make an informed decision or a wise decision. As for me, as I said, this website is a scam, a fake website, and not a legit website to make money. Okay, so my advice is to stay away from this website and don't waste your time promoting this website. If you are looking for a legit way to make money online, make sure to grab my #1 money making program. See below this video on the description, and grab my #1 money making program, and get started. What you will get is a training that will teach you from start to finish how to set up your own online business and make money online. You will also get some tools you can use to build your online business and make money online. This is about affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online. So make sure to join this program and get started your online journey with success. If you found my video useful, please share it, like it, and leave me a comment. I will respond to you ASAP. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this way, the next time I will upload a video, you will get notified. Thank you for watching and see you on the next time. Bye bye.